Today, let us visit our newest partner center at Malkajgiri, Hyderabad. Walking through the center, we find the true essence of Montessori learning, that is, to empower children to be independent, curious, and lifelong learners. The prepared environment that Maria Montessori had spoken about and so thoughtfully described is readily visible in how attentively the IIMTT Partner Center has been designed. The distinct Montessori corners, filled with EPL, sensorial, language, and mathematics materials, are neatly organized, ready to train in a new batch of Montessori directresses. At IIMTT, a Montessori laboratory is not just an allotted classroom. It is a revered, vibrant ecosystem wherein each and every trainee gets hands on experience to use these materials to understand their purpose and to master the art of guiding the young students to be their best.